Welcome to Office Hours for Week 4. I noticed that Units 3 and 4 were quite abstract. Will the remaining units in the course be similarly abstract?
That is a good question. Units 3 and 4 were relatively abstract, to some degree intentionally so. We wanted to cover the basics of grammars, context-free grammars, how we might parse them ourselves when we talk to a particular algorithm for that in class, and then how to interface with a tool that uses a similar algorithm, and then given a context-free grammar and a description of how to build a parse tree or an abstract syntax tree, puts it all together. That was difficult material, and if you thought it seemed a little more abstract than the rest of the course, you are absolutely right. And part of that is that we want to challenge you. This is a world-class education, and these are the sort of concepts that we would go into at a top-tier university covering these topics. We want to make sure that you understand languages from the inside out, and thus that you can manipulate in your mind grammar rules, the backbones, the essential syntactic constructs of languages. We want you to know them, how to change them, how to implement them. That said, the course really does go up and then go back down a bit in terms of level of abstraction or difficulty. In Units 5 and 6, we're going to turn our attention to interpreting parse trees, interpreting abstract syntax trees. What comes next after a parser? Well, we try to figure out the meaning of a program. We'll look at interpreting HTML, interpreting JavaScript, as well as fun off-to-the-side software engineering tasks like debugging programs and also optimizing them to make them go faster. I think you'll find that Units 5 and 6 will be significantly more concrete and grounded than Units 3 and 4, and possibly even a little easier.